Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. This is the 19th video on the series Python for Beginners, and in this video we will resume our discussion on operators. So here we are at PyCharm. So far we have seen three operators, which are numeric operators, assignment operators and comparison operators. Today we'll start our discussion with bitwise operators. So let me copy this thing and put it to the top. And after bitwise operator we will be discussing logical operators. Okay, so let me open the console for you. Let's maximize this screen. Okay, so binary operators are used to perform operations on binary numbers. Binary numbers are numbers which are expressed in base 2 numeral system. It consists of two values, that is 0 and 1. If you're not familiar with binary system, you can simply Google it up. It's pretty straightforward. So let's take a number, say a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 15, and I'm going to calculate the binary for these two numbers using binary function, and for b as well. Okay, so I'm going to perform a binary AND operation, and the way binary AND operation work is both of these digits or both of these bits, I'm starting from the right hand side, like these two digits 0 and 1, these two digits, if these digits are same, AND operation is going to return 1 or else it is going to be 0. So 0 and 1 will return as 0, 0 and 1 will again return as 0, 1 and 1 will return as 1, and 1 and 1 will also return as 1. So let's try to do it using bitwise operator. So this is ideally what we should get, 1 1 0 0, right? So let's try to do it. Binary of a, and the way you do AND operation is by using AND using an AND symbol. It is present in numeric 7th key of your QWERTY keyboard, and if you do this, you're going to get the AND result. Alright, likewise we have binary OR operation, and the way the OR operation work is, if either of this bit is 1, we are going to get 1. So 0 and 1 is going to give us 1, 0 and 1 is also going to give us 1, 1 and 1 obviously it is going to give us 1, and 1 and 1 again is going to give us 1. So let's try to do this OR operation using Python, and the way we write OR operator is using a pipe symbol, and this is how we write it. And if I hit enter now, I'm going to get the result. So this is how you do a binary OR operation. What else? We have exclusive OR or XOR operation as well, and the way the XOR operation works is when bits are same we will get 0, and when bits are different we will get 1. So in this case, when we have 0 and 1, that is bits are different, we will get 1, and when we have 0 and 1, again we will get 1, 1 and 1 will give us 0, and then again 1 and 1 will give us 0. Let's write it down here. Binary of a, and this is the caret symbol, or it is also called as circumflex. Some people also call it as exponential, or what else, hat symbol as well. So you can locate this symbol on along with the numeric 6 key on your QWERTY keyboard. And let me run this now. Don't get confused why the leading zeros are not present, because we were expecting an output like this after performing the XOR operation, but in binary system the leading zeros do not have any significance as such, and it doesn't make any sense, and hence they are excluded. Okay, so let's move on to the logical operators now. So in logical operators, let's start with the AND operation itself. So suppose if I have a variable, say x, and x is assigned a value of boolean true and y is assigned the value of boolean false. So if I do a AND operation, a logical AND operation, okay, so the way I do that is we have a reserved keyword in Python for that, which is AND in small case like this, and there has to be space between these two, and x and y, and when I hit enter I'm going to get false, because the way AND works is both of these values or both of these condition needs to be true in order to in order for a AND operation to return true. Okay, so if I have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and if I do x and y and hit enter, I'm going to get 0, which indicates actually a false. Likewise, if I have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, and if I do x and y at this point of time, I'm going to get 1. Okay, so the 0 here represents false. We have already seen this while discussing the Boolean data type. So in a numeric data type, any number other than 0 represents true. So let's move on to the OR operation. So if I have a variable a is equal to true and b is equal to false, and if I want to do OR operation, a logical OR operation, so for this we have a reserved keyword called as small or, and if we do this we are going to get true. The way OR operation works is either of this value, if either of this value is true, we are going to get a true. Okay, and we have NOT operation as well. So NOT operation is simply a negation. So if I say NOT of a and hit enter, whatever is the value of a, I am going to get reverse of it. So if a is true, I should be getting false here. And likewise, if I say NOT of b, I am going to get true. So these are the logical operators in Python. That's all for this video, and I'm going to see you at the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.